this idea for the longest time that if athletic wear were more vintage inspired and prettier, I would be in so much better shape. And then I realized that I'm a decent sewer, so I don't really have any excuse not to try to make some athletic wear myself. I'm gonna start off by making a pair of 1940s inspired hiking pants that would also double as pants for cross-country skiing in the winter with an extra layer underneath. I live on the Swedish countryside, so hiking and cross-country skiing goes very natural for me, and cross-country skiing was also a big part of my life growing up. And the main inspiration for this project comes from old family photos of my grandmother and her sisters out cross-country skiing. I wanted to try to mix a vintage pattern together with a modern athletic fabric and found this 1940s pattern on Etsy. And with a little research I found this Finnish company who specifies in fabric for outdoor wear and hiking gear. I chose a breathable soft shell fabric that has a fleece lining and a bit of stretch. I wanted these pants to be suitable both for hikes in the autumn and spring, as well as cross-country skiing in the winter with an extra layer. After the soul-crushing process of taping the PDF pattern together, I cut out all of the pieces. First I sew all of the darts and then continue with the center seams, before pinning and sewing the leg seams. Then I cut out a 7.5 cm wide facing to go into the side opening. This is to get a bit of overlap so you have something to attach the buttons to and don't see through the gap. Before I attach the belt, I press all of the seams. With the belt in place, it was time to adjust the length. The pattern have upturned folds at the end, but I had to cut off a bit of length for it not to be too bulky. Then it was time for buttons, and I chose these vintage looking doomed shank buttons that I already had. And with a buttonhole presser foot, I sewed the buttonholes. I didn't find my seam ripper, so I used a small X-Acto knife, which I do not recommend. This almost ended badly. And then I was done. I am so happy with how these turned out. They are super comfortable. I might not wear them for like a 10-hour hike, but I could do a 3-hour hike easily. I can also see myself wearing these traveling and walking around cities, feeling both comfortable and dressed up.